Hey guys, I'm Pushpesh Prashant in front of you all and welcome back to my channel. That is obviously my own name. So today we're gonna discuss about engineers. When we think about engineers, what we get to know? That is the dialogue of Three Idiots. Pen ki nib se lekar pan ki zip tak everything is made of because of engineers. So we're gonna look into the history of engineers, present situations of engineers in India, as well as the engineering of future. So keep watching this video till the end and I hope you guys enjoy this video a lot. So when we talk about engineering, we come to a modern term like it's a modern job, modern scenario, and all those things. But engineering marvels have been seen in human civilization right from the starting only, like the making of Harappa civilization or the Egyptian civilization or Indus Valley civilization. In all these spheres, we'll come to know that engineering has played a very important role. Because of science, because of physics, because of chemistry, because of bio, all the aspects of science has played a very important role in lifting up the lifestyle of human beings. Today, if we see the high-rise buildings all across the earth, if we see satellites in our sky, if we see people doing new kind of jobs in clouds, in AI, in machine learning, this is all because possible because of engineering. The basic science has took a modern turn and has added some mixed flavor in it and taken a shape that is very nice in the form of engineering. We have seen many ancient monuments, many ancient heritages that are across our country, that is India, right from Mughal era, right from Chandragupta era to the modern British era. So today, where we are standing after 72 years of independence, we have a lot of IITs in our prestigious country. Like many of the institutes has blossomed to their fullest and produced many thousands and thousands of engineers. If we look at the current scenario, the right from the CEO of Microsoft to the CEO of Google, that is Sundar Pichai or Satya Nadella, or many of the prestigious engineers all across the globe are Indians. So if we talk about this, blood flowing through our veins are full of science and new technologies that we bring about, and that is because possible because of our great culture, the Indian culture. And today, if we are standing in a position that the world is actually knowing the values and the very basic foundations of science and knowledge of Indians, it's because ourselves only. Today, if we look across the countries, we have many prestigious institutions producing almost a million engineers in a country. Critics has blamed that yes, the value of engineering has gradually decreased in India, or the value of engineering because the quality of engineering is being made is low, like 80% aren't fit enough to get a job. These are all these critics, but the reality is this: we are doing our best and we are producing the best. In future, the experts have actually given many research papers saying that today, from today, 5 years after today, like 50% of the jobs in engineering is not will not be of current jobs, like they will not be of what we are doing today regarding artificial intelligence or machine learning. That is, computer will play a vital role in it. The point to be noted is that computer science is almost producing 50% of the engineers. That is half of the 1 million, that is 500,000 students are enrolled in computer science, are studying computer science engineering because the scope of computer science is vital, right? If you see the top companies of the world, that is Apple, Microsoft, Google, all these are related to hardware and computer science. So it's the duty of computer science student, and me as a computer science student also want to inform all of you that we should do the best to improve the computer science scenario in our country. The companies like Infosys and TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Services, has taken the job in their hands to train many of the youngsters in computer science in basic languages like C, C++, Java, Python, etc. So that they can actually blossom their skills in these skill sets and that are actually required for the future job scenario. If we look into the future, we are actually only predicting that what will happen in 2050 or 2100, but the originality is that we may require skills that are actually unpredictable at today's time. If we look at the past, the people used to think that okay, 2 MB hard drive is enough, or 2 20 MB hard drive is enough 10 years ago, but now it's 2 TB going 3 TB in TVs, that is terabytes. So tomorrow what will happen in the small 6-inch screen, the mobile phone we are seeing today? It may be that the DSLR camera will come into it, and maybe telescope and Microsoft will also come into mobile, because 10 years later I wasn't in a position to see myself taking pictures and shooting movies like this I am making in front of you. So we all should be future ready. We all should actually encourage our next generation to learn certain languages of computer science, so that they can actually make themselves future ready. And not only computer science, but also all the aspects of engineers, be it mechanical, architecture, civil, or be it electrical, because all are we are exploring ourselves, and we don't have the knowledge, we don't have the capacity to think that in future what will happen. We will settle in other planet other than the earth. The future dreams of Elon Musk, or Bill Gates, or Satya Nadella, all these guys are have dreams to settle ourselves in the to make human beings multi planetary species, that is settling on Mars or the moons of Saturn's. The NASA has already sent their spacecrafts in it, and India is ready to send their spacecraft to Mars, or to Venus, or to Aditya 11, to Sun. And the Curiosity rover on Mars is already doing a great job, and the Kepler telescope is already exploring many of the interplanetary stars and galaxies, and they are predicting that there will be millions of stars that are human ready to be shifted. So we have to prepare ourselves, we have to explore our vicinity, we have to keep our mind open, so that we can explore the next level of humanity. There was a time when there was a single minded vision. The species won't be unicellular, then comes bicellular, then comes multicellular. Similarly, today, if we say uni-minded, like the mind I am training will be limited to myself, then in future it may be because of the artificial intelligence and machine learning that we will be able to connect our minds to the clouds of different services like Amazon Web Services or Google Cloud. That in future they may connect all the minds of the world, and the children who are born, they won't be needed to be trained, and instead the data that is available all around the world will be inserted in that. So the only work for them will be to research and to relax. That is, our next generation will be a very healthier society. So the conclusion of this video, I will say that the human beings are not only multidisciplinary, but also multi-talented. We have to do best. And all the best to all the guys who are watching this video. I myself, as a computer science student, wish you all the best, and I hope so that you all will do good in computer science and engineers. And thank you college, thank you my friends for making this video possible. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe button, share it, comment on it, and please hit the bell icon, and see you guys next time. Bye.